What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the elf on the shelf. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We'll start on the left side of center, curve the nose coming down and then up. Now I'm going to move up and draw a short curve going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to move over, draw the bottom edge of the eye. We're going to go up and then out and then just line that up on the right side. Now I want to draw on the top of the eye with an oval. Starting from the inside, we're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then come down on the outside of the cheek. Go back over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, come around, and then in towards the bottom. Now let's have the character looking over towards the left side. So we're going to start from the top of the eye. I'm just going to bend this in, around, and then out towards the bottom, and then line that up on the right side. Let's trace the inside of the pupil. So we're going to step over, curve this around, come down, and then out. Let's go up to the top of the pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to add the eyelashes with two curves going across and up. Go back and draw that again, and just line that up on the right side. Now let's move back down in the center and draw the mouth. Curve this down and up, and then on the ends, we're just going to add a fold coming down and out for the cheeks. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up to the top and add a curve going up and then in across the eyebrows. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to line up with the bottom of the eyelid, move out to the side, curve this down, go across underneath the mouth, and then bend that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side, just going to bump out the head, going out and then up towards the edge of the hat. And I want to connect the ends with a curve for the hat. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bend that back down. Let's go back to the top of the cheeks. We're going to add the edge of the hairline. We're going to come in and then up underneath the hat. And we'll add that center piece of the hair. Starting over on the left, bend this down and then in. Bend this down and out. Curve this across and up on the right side. Let's go to the side of the head and add the ears. From this point, we're going to step down, go out, down, and then bend that in. Then along the top, we're going to add a small fold. Let's go to the side of the head and draw the outside of the hat. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up, start to curve that in towards the middle, towards the very top of the hat. Go out towards the right, and then down towards the top corner of the head. Let's add that seam. Starting on the left, curve this up, and then back down. Now with the face complete, let's draw on the collar. We start over on the left side, we draw an angled line coming down and out, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add a series of 4 points across the bottom. Starting on the left, come up and in. Now I'm going to add 2 points across the middle. Come down, pull this up and in towards the middle. Let's tuck the body in underneath the collar. From this point, we're going to step over, curve the body going all the way around. I'm just going to blend into the leg towards the bottom of the foot. Go to the right side and do the same thing, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's round out the feet and just pull that up in towards the middle. From that center point, draw a straight line going up towards the knees, and then you want to round up the knees. We're going to go up toward the left and then down towards the side of the body. Let's separate the bottom of the feet with a straight line, going all the way across. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the arms. Let's start underneath the collar again, going out and then down towards the cuff. Do the same thing on the right. Round out the cuff, coming down and in towards the side of the body. From the inside of the cuff, step down, draw a straight line going across the bottom of the thumb, round out the thumb and then bend that back in. Let's go to the outside of the cuff, draw the hand going up, around, and then in towards the tip of the thumb. Now I want to draw our character sitting on top of the shelf. So from the edge of the hand, draw 2 straight angle lines going out towards the edge of the shelf. Draw a straight line coming in towards the legs, and continue on the right side. From the end, I'm just going to flatten off the front edge of the shelf. And then again, drawing another straight line going in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a cartoon illustration of the elf on the shelf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.